بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, good morning to you all. I hope you are happy and safe wherever you are. Today, inshallah, we'll be continuing taking our lesson for the third year. My name is teacher Ines Ahdefi. So I hope you have your books, your notebooks, and some pencils because we might be doing some writings. So today, our lesson is revision for Unit 3 and Unit 4. So this is the name of the unit. It's a revision and it's at page 56 and 57 in your books. So I hope you have your books at page 56 and 57. Let's start. Bismillah. Let's try to remember what we've learned in the previous lesson or what we took in the previous lesson. We discussed weather, how to ask about the weather. What's the perfect question? What's the weather like? And how is the weather today? Depends on the weather. It could be sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, snowy, dusty. Very good. Also, we discussed days of the week. Starting from the first day, we have Sunday till the last day, it's Saturday. Also, we discussed how to say the time. How to say the time, AM and PM. Let's go to the next one. Also, we'll be continuing talking about time, how to ask about the time, how to say the time in different way. So, let's start with this one, my dear student. In order to ask about the time and to give the time, you'll be asking the question, what's the time, or what time is it, please? What's the time? What time is it, please? Excellent. Starting from 12 o'clock. So, if it's 12 o'clock exactly, if I ask you what time is it, you will say it is 12 o'clock. Let's add 5 minutes at a time. Okay, so I'll be moving clockwise. Let's add 5 minutes at a time. So what time is it? It is 5 past 12. 5 past 12. Let's add 5 minutes. 10 past 12. Very good. Let's add 15 minutes. Quarter past 12. Very good. Let's add 5 more minutes. 20 past 12. Excellent. Let's add 5 more minutes. 25 past 12. Very good. Okay, so let's add 30 minutes. Half past 12. Half past 12. So after that, it will be different now. 25 to 1. 20 to 1. Very good. A quarter to 1. 10 to 1. 5 to 1. 1 o'clock. Very good. So, to your right, I will be using past, 5 past, half past, 20 past, but to your left, we'll be using to. We'll be using to. Very good. Let's go to the next one. So, I need your help now. I need you to help me to say or write the time. Write the time under each clock. Let's start with the first one. What time is it? Or, what's the time, please? For the first one, what time is it? It is exactly 9 o'clock. Very good. It is 9 o'clock. Excellent. The next one. What time is it? Or, what's the time, please? It is exactly 11 o'clock. Very good. 11 o'clock. Excellent. Next one I have. What time is it? What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Very good. It is 8 o'clock. Exactly 8 o'clock. Very good. The next one I have. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Very good. It's 3 o'clock. Very good. The next one I have. What time is it? Or what's the time, please? It is 2 o'clock. Very good. It is 2 o'clock. Next one I have. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. Very good. It is 5 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Now let's move to the next slide. Now, for this one, read the time under the clock and draw the hands of the clock. As you can see, I gave you the first one as an example. So what time is it? It is 10:30 and I already draw the hands of the clock here. Let's go to the second clock face. What time is it, my dear students? So now I need you to help me to draw the hands of the clock. So 7 o'clock, exactly 7 o'clock. Exactly 7 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to the next one. 6:30 or 6:30. So it's not exactly 6, it's not exactly 7, it's in between. What time is it? Let's draw it. 6:30 or 6:30. Very good. So the first one, let's read the time together. 10:30, 7 o'clock, 6:30, or 6:30. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, also, my dear student, if you could remember that we already talked about AM and PM, okay? This will try to refresh your memory. What's the difference between AM and PM? So start at 12 midnight. Starting at 12 midnight, after that, it will be AM, okay? So let's say 12:30 AM until we, as you can see, we have 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock, okay? Till then, till 12 midday, it is AM. Any time between them, it is AM, okay? So here at noon, it will turn to be PM. So moving to 3 PM, 6 PM, 9 PM, and 12 midnight, and it's starting to be AM all over again. So again, so we have 12 hours, 24 hours. 12 hours will be AM. The next 12 hours will be PM. Okay, so now we will have some exercises. So I need you to help me out with this one. Write the time in the first column and then write AM or PM. Let's start with the first picture. As you can see, this boy he's just waking up at, what's the time? What's the time? It is 7 o'clock. Very good. It is 7 o'clock exactly. What do you think? AM or PM? Which one fits more? He wakes up at 7 o'clock. AM, very good. He wakes up at 7 o'clock. AM, excellent. Let's go to the next one. He's having lunch. He eats lunch. At what time? At what time? 1 o'clock, very good. 1 o'clock. What do you think, my dear student? 1 o'clock. AM or PM? AM or PM? PM, very good. PM, excellent. Let's go to the next one. They are playing football or playing soccer. At what time? What do you think? 4 o'clock. Very good. 4 o'clock. What do you think? 4 o'clock. AM or PM? It's PM. Very good. 4 o'clock. PM. Let's go to the next one. He's sleeping now. He is sleeping. So what do you think it is? What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Very good. He is sleeping. Most probably AM. Very good. Very good. He is sleeping at 2 o'clock AM. The last one. The family are gathered together watching TV. At what time? What's the time? 9. Very good. 9 o'clock PM. 9 o'clock PM. Very good. Very good. So now you got the difference between AM and PM. Let's go to the next slide. So I need you to help me out with this one. Watching TV after school. This activity, my dear students, happened AM or PM? Watching TV after school? PM. Excellent. PM. Let's go to the next one. Swimming lesson every Sunday morning. Swimming lesson every Sunday morning. AM or PM? I have the word morning. AM. Very good. The next one. Playing toys after dinner. Playing toys after dinner. AM or PM? What do you think? PM. Very good. After dinner. Let's go to the next one. Eating breakfast. This is easy. Eating breakfast. Normally we eat breakfast in the morning. AM. Excellent. The next one. Taking a shower before going to sleep at night. Taking a shower before going to sleep. AM or PM? PM. Excellent. The next one. Watching basketball game on Friday evening. Friday evening. What do you think? What do you think? p.m. Excellent, excellent. Let's go to the next one. Now, for this one, I need you to do two things for me. Write the time and write a.m. or p.m. Let's start with the first one. What time is it, my dear student? Is it 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? It is 8 o'clock. Very good. What do you think, a.m. or p.m. now? It's dark, it's night, it's p.m. Very good. Very good. The next one I have, what time is it? What time is it, my dear student? It is 11 o'clock. Very good. It's 11 o'clock. It's day night. The sun is rising. It is a.m. Very good. It is a.m. Okay, let's go to the next one. How about this one? Tell me first, what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. Very good. It is 9 o'clock. a.m. or p.m.? It's a.m. Excellent. It's a.m. The next one I have, tell me the time first. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. Very good. It is 2 o'clock. Oh, sorry. It's 9 o'clock a.m. It is 2 o'clock also a.m. because it's after 12 o'clock. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now, I need you to help me decide. This guy is shopping for grocery at 2 a.m. or p.m. What do you think? p.m. Excellent. p.m. Let's go to the next one. How about eating breakfast at 7 a.m. or p.m.? What do you think? a.m. Very good. Teaching in school. Normally teaching take time or in 9 o'clock. a.m. Very good. a.m. Let's go to the next one. Now choose. Greet someone by saying good morning at 8 o'clock. Does that happen a.m. or p.m.? a.m. Excellent. Next one. Greet someone by saying good afternoon. Does that happen at 2 o'clock a.m. or p.m.? p.m. Excellent. And the last one I have is sleeping at 12 o'clock a.m. or p.m. It's a.m. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, if we have time, we'll be doing all of them, but up to now, we'll be doing the first two. I make my bed at what time? As you can see, tell me the time. I make my bed at 6 o'clock. Very good. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Right next to it. I eat breakfast at what time? At 7 o'clock. Very good. At 7 o'clock. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. I go to school at what time? At 8 o'clock. Very good. 8 o'clock. Let's go to the next one. I eat snack at what time? 10 o'clock. Excellent. 10 o'clock. Okay, if we have time, we'll be coming back to the remaining exercise. So, also, my dear student, we discussed prepositions of time. As we mentioned before, in Unit 3, we introduced 3 prepositions of time: in, on, and at. Let's start reading. I use in with what? Centuries. In the 21st century, in the 19th century, decades, years, seasons, months, and also in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Very good. Let's go to on. I use on with what? Days of the week, days of the month, and dates, like the 18th, the 21st of June, holidays. How about at? Mostly I use at with time. Okay, so at noon, at midnight, at 9:45, but also at the weekend and at night. Okay, so what do we call these, my dear student? Prepositions of time. Let's go to the next one. So let's go to the next slide. For the next slide, it's at page 56. So have your books at page 56. Let's read together. Number 1, read and say, So how to ask about the time, or what's the perfect way to ask about the time? You can either say, what's the time please, or what time is it? What's the time please, or what time is it? So let's start with the first one. By looking at the clock face, I need you to help me to complete. What time is it, please? Or what's the time, my dear student? It is 4 o'clock. Very good. It is exactly 4 o'clock. Very good. So the first one, it is 4 o'clock. Let's go to the next one. What time is it now? Or what's the time, please? It is 2:45. Very good. It is 2:45, or it is 2:45. It is 2:45, or it is 2:45. Very good. The next one I have, what time is it? What time is it? It is 6:30. Very good. It is 6:30, or we can say 3:30. Oh, sorry, 6:30. 6:30 or 6:30. Very good. The next one I have, what time is it, my dear student? It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Exactly 10 o'clock. Very good, very good. So make sure you have the answers written. Let's go to the next slide. So this is also page 56, sorry. So let's go, match. As you can see, I have 3 clock faces. Let's start to match. 7:15. Which one is 7:15? Very good. This is 7:15. Excellent. How about 4:25 or 4:25? Very good. This is 4:25. Excellent. And the last one I have is 11:45 or 11:45. 11:45 or 11:45. Let's go to the next one. Let's try to complete this one. What the time, please? What is the time, please? Very good. What is the time, please? It's 8 o'clock. Thank you. You are welcome. So I hope you have your books at page 57 now. So let's go to the next one. So let's do this exercise. I hope you can do it with me. Choose. Number 1. He bought a new house on, in, or at. What do you think? What do you think? Very good, because I have a year. In 1430. Very good. Let's go to number 2. I traveled to Mecca. On, in, at. What do you think? What do you think? On Monday. Very good, because I have a day. Next one. I ate lunch on, in, or at 2:30. What do you think? I have at, because I have a time. Very good. The last one. They had breakfast before or after school? Before school. Very good. Before school. So let's try to revise what we've learned in this lesson. We revise how to say the time. We introduced prepositions of time, in, on, at, and we asked until the time. So that was our lesson. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.